12, shots fired.
Man down, bleeding out. There's no time, so please hear me out. These are the last few words that I'd like to say to you all. This is my last call. Tell my wife I love her, and that I won't be home tonight. Thank her for those long, hard years that we tried to get it right. Tell her I'll be waiting after she makes it through it all. This is my last call. Tell my children that I love them. Oh yeah, daddy always loved them so. Tell them to hold their mother tight and to never let her go. Tell them I'll always be watching, looking over them through it all. This is my last call. Tell them to fight for me. Right for me. Choose the light for me. Don't ever forget me. Tell them I'll always be watching, and I'll be there when they fall. This is my last call. Beside me, and who held up the blue line. Stand tall, stand strong, hold your head up high. I'm sorry I let you down today, but please know I gave my all. This is my last call. Yeah, I'd like to think I saved a few good lives, but I couldn't save my own. This is my last call.
All units, stand by for a special announcement. Emergency traffic only. 11:45. Prince William calling, 11:45. This is the final call for 11:45. Officer Ashley Glendon, end of watch, February 27, 2016. May you rest in peace.